will show you a method how to make money online in 2022, the method that amazed me. It's so simple and many are already making money through the method I'm about to tell you. The business scheme is simple. You need to find free videos in the most popular categories. After you have found the video, copy the link and customize it. Now all that remains is to share the personalized link and you are paid per view. The price for one view starts with $3 up to $8, depending on the country where the video is viewed. For example, if it is Australia, then $6, but if the USA, then $8. On average, one view is paid for $5. Now you have a clear picture of how the method works, so I want to go into the details and show you step by step what you have to do. But before that, please support us by liking and subscribing to the channel. This helps us a lot. Instead, we will regularly offer you the most current methods of making money online in 2022, so always be with us. Let's start with the first and most important step. We need to go to the twitch.tv page. I will leave the link in the description, but the easiest way is to open the main page on Google and write Twitch TV there and access the first link in the list. As you can see, there are many videos in different categories. I recommend you to click on Browse and select Games. Here we see the recommended games and I wanted to choose now a game that is very popular. We can see his popularity here by the number of views. We choose the game that has the most views. At the same time, open another tab with the exe.io website. I will leave the link in the description. Here you can read more about what exe.io is, how it works, their statistics, and below you can see by which methods we can be paid. We have PayPal, Payeer, even Bitcoin. Let's see how the beneficiaries are paid. $5, $9, $6, $15. It's very motivating. Here you can see how much each country pays for one view. This is what I was telling you at the beginning. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up. Enter all the data and press the Register button. Our account is created, now we need to log in. After logging in, we see the main page. Now everything is at zero because the account is just created. Let's see what we have at withdraw. Here we see that the minimum amount we can withdraw is $5, regardless of which method we withdraw the money. Okay, back to our video. We select the video that has the most views and copy the link. We return to our page and press Create Link. Paste the link here and press the Create button. Here we see that our referral link has been created. I recommend you to create a Word document with the following information: the name of the game, a captivating description, and below you put even more links to this game. I hope you have understood the principle up to this point. Furthermore, in order not to spam all social networks, I recommend that you search on Google for different forums with the game you have chosen and create accounts there. Enter the discussion and place the information from the document I created, including our links. For example, here we see PC Gamer Forums. This is a very big forum. See here how many thousands of messages there are, and there are many such forums. Now we live in the most suitable period, when we can make money from home. No matter in which country our house is located, we only need to look for ideas to make money and implement these ideas. I hope this video was useful for you. Please support our channel with likes and subscriptions. We need your support because the channel is new. It is only 1 month old, but the fact that the channel is new means that all the information and the ideas we will offer are the most current. Being with us, you will always be informed about the best and most current methods of making money online. That's why don't forget to press the bell to be the first to know about the following methods. See you in the next videos.